In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a personalization box on Shopify. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a custom text field on your product page where customers can enter names, messages, or any other details you need for personalized products. First, log into your Shopify admin and head to your main dashboard. From here, look at the left-hand side menu and click on Online Store. This is where you control the look and layout of your storefront. Under Online Store, go to Themes, then click on the option to edit your theme. This will open the theme editor where you can visually customize your pages. At the top of the editor, make sure you're working on the home page first, then switch over to the products template area. From the templates list, choose the default product template, since that's usually what your products are using. Once you're on the default product template, find the section called Product Information. Next to it, there's a small drop-down arrow. Click that to expand the blocks inside this section. Now click on Add Block, and from the list of available blocks, choose Custom Liquid. This lets you insert custom code that will power the personalization box. After adding it, click on the Custom Liquid block and drag it so that it sits just above your buy buttons. Placing it here, make sure customers see the personalization field before they add the product to their cart. Then click into the empty code field to prepare it for the code we're going to paste. In the description of this video, you'll find a link to the field generator I'm using. Open that generator in a new tab. In the generator, use the drop-down labeled Type of Form field to choose whether you want a short text box, like for a name, or a longer text area, like for a message. Next, type in the label for your personalization box. This is the text your customers will see. For example, enter your name or add your custom message. Then set a character limit so customers don't type more than you can actually engrave or print. Decide whether the field should be required or optional by ticking the checkbox. If you make it required, remember this works only with the Add to Cart button, not with the dynamic Buy It Now buttons. Once you're happy with the settings, click on the button to copy the generated code. Go back to the Shopify theme editor and paste that code into the custom liquid code field you clicked on earlier. When that's done, click the back icon in the editor to return to the main list of blocks for the product page. On the left-hand column, select the Buy Buttons block. If you made the personalization field required, find the option for dynamic checkout buttons and turn that toggle off. This ensures customers go through the normal Add to Cart process, which respects the required field. Finally, go to the top right of the editor and click Save. Your personalization box is now live on your product page.